Have you ever tried to put makeup on without looking in the mirror? Well, that's what I'm about to do. And actually, I have to take my glasses off as well. So, goodness knows what mess I'll make. Hopefully, it won't look too bad. But I just want to demonstrate really what I do in terms of makeup. I am 66 now, and I really want to have makeup that looks as subtle as possible. I also want it to be really good for my skin. So, I've been using a brand for about 12 years. It's Arbonne, something that I use and love and recommend to other people as well. So that's what I'm going to be demonstrating. And I'm going to start by taking my glasses off. So here goes. And I'm going to start with the primer. I don't know if you use a primer. As you know, you prime a canvas if you're about to paint it. And that's really the same kind of concept as this. And it has Optolite technology. So I just put a little pump on and I rub it in. And what it does is that it reflects the light. Now, that's something you definitely want as you get older. It feels really lovely and smooth. It's one of our best-selling products, actually. And it can be used without any makeup on afterwards, just to give a sort of softer look. So then I'm going to start with the concealer. I think there are about 7 different colors of the concealer. And I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my eyes. It's all guesswork, really, because I do have dark circles under my eyes. So I'm just going to tap that in, and actually, by tapping it in, I can spread it, and also it doesn't damage the skin under the eye, which is much thinner than our skin anywhere else. Actually, I need to really be using these fingers because there's a lighter touch. Okay, I'm hoping that's fine. Next, I'm going to use, and I'm going to put my glasses on for this, the Derm Results Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's a soft focus veil. So basically, it's got a slight tint. And I like that because it doesn't look like a foundation, but it gives me a little bit of something. Also, the great thing about this, believe it or not, is even though, as you can see, it's a very light colour, when it goes on, it doesn't matter what colour skin you have, it will blend in with your skin. So that's what I like about it. So obviously, it's got that SPF in it, and that's important. So it just gives me a little bit of coverage, and also it means that it protects my skin from the sun as well. So there you go, as quickly as that. The next thing I would do is probably eyebrows, and this is going to be interesting. So this eyebrow pencil I love. It comes in a number of different colors, but one end is a brush and the other end is the actual pencil. So I'm going to attempt to put eyebrows on. Now, I don't have much in the way of eyebrows. I remember my mum plucking my eyebrows when I was about 15, I think, probably 14, 15. I was going to a party thing, and she plucked them within an inch of my life. And I'm not really my mother, God rest her soul, but actually they never quite grown back in the same way. So that's the pencil. I don't know how this looks. So I'm just going to rub it in with the brush. I can go over that in a mirror, and I'm off this soon, can't I? And then, of course, it's the mascara. Now, I've got a new packet of mascara. It's the Elevate mascara. It's a really lush formulation. What I love about it, and all these products, of course, are gluten-free. They're vegan, and this is, you know, approved by PETA or PETA. Not sure how you pronounce it, but anyway, this mascara is really lush. Now, what's important about mascaras is that you replace them regularly. You can actually tell if you smell a mascara if it's gone off. Yeah. Never share a mascara with someone else, because if you've got some sort of eye infection, then actually you are likely to be passing that on as well. There's too much bacteria that goes in. If you think about it, you take the brush out, you put it on your eyelashes, it's got the air to it, all the bacteria that's on your eye, and then you're putting it back in and you give it to someone else. Not a good idea. But also, a lot of people pump a mascara, but it's best not to do that because you get a lot of air in it. And also, if there's any flaking, that goes in there as well. So, oh, hear that sound. I'm just going to, I don't know how this is going to be. Can you actually put your mascara on with that? Opening your mouth like that. Anyway, sorry about opening my mouth like that. This, obviously, you can build up, and I might have to do that because I can't You see what I'm doing, honestly. There you go. You can get an idea of it. Actually, it builds up really, really nicely, but I don't want to get it all over my face. So I'm just going to probably make do with that. No, I'll do a bit more. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure how that looks because I can't see anything. And then a little bit of bronzer. Bit of bronzer. Yeah. Oh, my mirror's a bit dirty, isn't it? Oh, I could have used my mirror. Anyway, on the apples of the cheeks. And I think I'm done. I'm just gonna put my glasses on and see. Yeah, I mean, I would build up the mascara more. I put a little bit of lip salve on, another Arbonne brand. But actually I would normally put a bit of lipstick on probably. But for now, that's kind of gives me a natural look. Would you agree? Anyway, thank you for watching. All the information will be down below. If you're interested in checking out my catalogue, do that. If you've got any questions or any comments, I love that. Anyway, for me, that gives me a little bit of a glow without slathering makeup on, and it means my face can breathe, and also I've got that sun protection. Yeah.